This is my go-to belt, and I'll tell you why. I'm not a big fan of belts that have holes because, of course, they get used up and they're visible. This is an absolutely perfect belt in my opinion. Look at these notches. These notches are inside of the leather, so not showable when you're wearing it, but it's inside. What do? They will attach to this little latch. So this latch, this clasp, releases the belt on or off. And the really cool thing is any size, if whatever size you want, you'll be able to fit it. So look at that. And you hear the latches go. And when you've decided you're ready, this is it. This is the size you want. Can't do anything about it until you release the latch automatically. Now there is a con, and this is with most belts, in my opinion, is that they will get used up. They will scratch. This buckle is a little scratch on the top, but the really nice thing is it's not scratched on the front where people see it. So it still looks pretty much brand new. The top size is basically just what I can see. They do have a bunch of different models, different styles, whatever you like. If this is not your bag, they've got so many different ones, and but all in the same fashion, all with the same tech, and it's fantastic. I love it.